Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome back to Your Hobby Connection. Today, as you can see, we're pulling out all of our rail cars. You probably saw the prior video where we pulled out all of our locomotives and steam engines. Well, we're gonna go ahead and pull all of our stuff out like this, show you kind of what we have, and then we're gonna put it all on the rails and run it, which you'll see in the next video. So as you can see, starting from my right to my left, we have a couple of older cars here. We've got an old Rio Grande caboose. We've got a Conrail boxcar. We've got an open hopper here. We've got the old Safari Lionel lines gondola. As you can probably see in the photos and the videos, it needs a little bit of help before I can run this one on the rails. It's kind of rusty and needs some sanding down. We've got a Union Pacific caboose. We've got another boxcar from the Great Northern. We have a oil tanker, we have a flatbed, 2 auto carriers, 2 Pennsylvania boxcars, 2 Pennsylvania Flyer open gondolas with containers, 2 Pennsylvania Flyer cabooses. We have in front of us here, we have a Breyer's Milk Productions tanker car, and judging by the detail, if you'll see it in later videos, it's highly detailed, very meticulously maintained. This is a flatbed with a car, so a little auto carrier for like a personal vehicle. Another old style caboose. This one's missing some parts. We have a 3-hole tanker car from Conrail and an MKT open gondola. This open gondola, I will have to show a video of us gluing the couplers on one side because they're broken, and I don't know if I can get replacement couplers for it because I believe it's a K-line car and they don't make those couplers for it. Up here we have our 2 passenger cars that are lighted. So if you turn the throttle off, the lights go off, and when you turn it back on, they light up. So this is what I currently have for my rolling stock / operating equipment. So next time, you'll see all this stuff running. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, leave some thoughts and suggestions of what you want to see with the trains in the future. But if you really want to make sure you get to watch the videos, you need to hit that bell button as well. But I want you to come back and see all this in motion. So until then, stay safe and highball.